Hey everyone, I'm guessing right now it's Easter night, and of course I want to do something for an Easter video, so what I got here is these eggs. Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing this a little bit late because I felt lazy, and I actually didn't want to do this because of the quarantine, but there might be some few younger audience who are into Easter, so I'll do it anyway. So, what I'm going to do is a drawing tutorial. So, you got, just like the Christmas one I just did, it might be the same characters, but the appearance will be different, so enjoy. Hey guys, don't be fooled by the video. I'm actually very tired. I took this last night at Easter. So, yeah, before I'm done, here's a quick look. Here's Mickey Mouse. This is Easter basket. Flower Power Stump Smash. Springtime Spyro with polka dots. Sponge Bunny Easter pants. Easter time SHREK. And Flower Blade Igniter, which is not really one of my best ideas. I don't know. I think I'm tired. So, don't forget to follow the rules down in the description and have a brick night or day.